So a lot of you were curious about how we made our little audiobook units. Well, first I started by 3D printing the case. While that was going, we copied all of the files to a flash drive. Now, that's not going to fit in the case, so we need to modify it a little bit. With this. First, we get a good grip on it and then add an access slot so that we can stick in a screwdriver and get into the creamy, crunchy center. After we've done that, we plug it into a pigtail and then we put it back into a computer to make sure that we didn't, kill it. After that, we print out the poster for the front of the window in the thing. And then we make sure the files are read-only so jerks can't mess with them. After that, we cut out a small piece of plexiglass, which is hard to photograph, and we make sure that it fits in the newly printed case. After that, we insert the flash drive, and then we secure it with hot melt adhesive. Gooey. Then, we slide in the cover image, slip the plexiglass over top of it, and we get the little retention bar that we also 3D printed. A little more hot melt adhesive, we put it together, and we have a gorgeous looking product, which is not sketchy at all. Please stop calling the bomb squad! So what do you guys think I should do with these things? Let me know in the comments.